Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to fix this Google Ads disapproved due to malicious or unwanted software issue. So, when Google actually detects issues, I know it may provide only vague responses for disapproval, but I'm going to give you some of the most common triggers that can, cause your ads to be rejected. So you can have embedded malware or malicious script, which is, basically code that is injected in your landing pages that can harm users of their system, or some unwanted software forced downloads. If you bundled undisclosed software, basically prompting auto downloads or making it hard to uninstall it, or just misinterpreted content entirely. Ads or landing pages that promise one thing but deliver harmful or deceptive experiences. So, what you need to basically do is you need to dive into a cleanup. Okay, place your site into maintenance mode. Okay, if it's shut down for maintenance mode, it's okay. Minimize the exposure. Create a backup of your current configuration in case you need to revert to it, and look for this suspicious code. Look for odd file names or anything that doesn't belong on your server. Sometimes hackers can do this and inject things into your servers, right? Or your code. Or you can do, manual removal. If you're comfortable working with the files, you can use the cPanel's file manager, or, an FTP or SFTP client to remove or replace the infected files, right? Or you can also use automated services to basically, clean up. So you use automated malware removal service like site lock scanner and removal features. You can identify and delete these malicious code, and it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.